Thank you. Another question over there, please.
Joe, thank you so much for the presentation. I was wondering if you touched upon the fact that, you keep working on Organizing for America, which is more the party side, but that there is also part of your team that moving to the White House. And I was wondering if you can talk a little bit, as much as you can, on how all of this is going to translate in the actual workings of government.
And you are from?
IDB. I'm sorry, Silvana Rubino from the IDB.
And the question is about in government or outside government? In government. So what we've created in the U.S. now is that for the first time the White House has a new media director with the same job title as mine. And the man who holds the job is a guy named Macon Phillips, who was my deputy on the campaign and previously worked at Blue State Digital as well. His job is as a special assistant to the president for new media. And so he's charged with executing the single project of the White House and making the White House itself as an organization more transparent and authentic and participatory in terms of what the White House is doing. But he's also serving as a coordinator and convener of people in doing e-government and new media and technology across the different departments. So when projects like recovery.gov, which is tracking the economic stimulus, or soon to be a healthcare initiative, and all the basic things that the organizations do across the government, whether that's the Treasury Department or the State Department or the Interior Department, there's a digital component to governing in all of these cases, and things move a bit slower in government, but what we're seeing is these institutions now have a buy-in at the top that they didn't have before. And so yesterday or the day before, one good example here would be that Julius Janikowski is a friend and advisor to Barack Obama, who he knows from law school. He's been appointed to head the Federal Communications Commission, FCC. And that's going to be an interesting case because he's someone who, in the orbit of the campaign, was very supportive of new media and helped create the space that I talked about for us to succeed. And so that's going to be an organization that's going to be a very interesting place to work for people with a job like mine, because the person at the very top is not only bought in concept, but is actual practitioner of these types of techniques. So what we'll hopefully see is emerging series of case studies about how to layer the digital component into different aspects of governing. And already some very talented people from the campaign on my team, but also some folks from places like Google and Yahoo and other places have decided to leave what are obviously much more lucrative careers to come join government and be part of this experiment to see what can be done. So there's now a person in the White House whose job is called the Director of Citizen Participation, which is sort of astonishing that we didn't have one of those before, but there is that job now, and it works in the new media shop. And the woman who came she came from Google. She was a product manager at Google, and so she's come, and now she's in Washington helping to figure out how to make participation part of everything the White House does, but also every new project that comes up through the government.
More questions from the back? Otras preguntas? Good. We're almost on time. Bueno. Muchas gracias. Thank you so very much for this very insightful presentation. On behalf of the group, I'd like to thank you for your very practical, down-to-earth answers to the many questions from our members. So thank you very much, Joe. Thank you.
Thank you very much.